What is up, everybody? It's me, at the grill. Figured you guys hear me talk about the cooking all the time. I figure I should kind of show what I'm doing here. So I got the flat top going here. This is my Cuisanart 360. I picked it up last year. Been a very good friend of mine. I've already seasoned it. It's heated up. This bad boy is hot. We are doing hibachi style beef and rice. I've had this marinating all day today. This is it's basically a carne piccata. I did a basic Asian marinade of 2 part soy sauce, half part mirin, half part rice vinegar with a little bit of 5 spice and garlic and onion. So we're gonna go ahead and get this guy sizzling. First thing, of course, with every flat top, you gotta put a little extra oil on there. This is avocado oil, which has a high smoke point, so we don't have to worry about it catching on fire. Now, at the flat top, you do want to be having an apron on because this stuff kicks back up at you. No, I am not a Benihana chef. Don't expect any tricks, flips, or any other kind of things. Just my usual bad humor. I have washed my hands before I got to here, so... And this has been going great. Carne piccata is a cheap cut. It can be a tough cut. But that's why I had it marinating all day. Usually the rice, not only the salt from the soy sauce, but the rice wine and the vinegar kind of helps break things down. It's funny, like of all the grills, like the big green egg and stuff, this is actually one of my favorite ones to cook on. It's a pain to clean, but it's just a lot of fun. Everyone keeps talking about my cooking, so I figured show a little bit. I am more than toys. Nice thing also about carne piccata, it's a thin cut, so this won't take long to cook. Smells really good. Wish y'all could be here. Yes, I said y'all. I don't care. I am in North Carolina. I can get away with it. You can probably hear this thing. Always have a beer on hand. Now, since we are doing hibachi style, that's as close to the tricks as I'm going to get. We will be doing rice, which I have off to the side here. I cooked that earlier. When you're doing fried rice and all, you want to, after cooking it, let it sit in the refrigerator for at least a half hour to 45 minutes. So that way, when it does hit on here, it keeps the moisture in as well as get that really nice golden color. And it doesn't react too bad with the oil that's in your pan. God, it smells so good. Now, while this is cooking, I also got a little bit of basil. Gonna kind of mix that into there. This should all wilt in with the meat, kind of like a Thai flavor. I love Thai basil chicken. And so this is holy basil. You can get this at an organic market. I got a really nice bite to it. Let me know in comments if you... Oh, man. Lost a soldier. In the comments, if you guys want to see other cooks. I might actually put this up on YouTube as well. You can download these things. I know my camera's at a jaunty angle. Now, the reason I'm doing the meat first and then adding the rice is it is on purpose because I plan on using the meat grease to go with the rice to kind of give it some of that flavor. And that is done. This is a quick cook, and the greases, of course, are coming out. For those of you who own a flat top, you guys can know that not only can you worry about the grease, don't worry too much about the grease on here, but you can get it out of the way. So if you have too much grease, I'm thinking next doing cooks on some of my burgers. Probably just do smash burgers next, and then I'll possibly do some of my stuffed burgers. Vegetables are also really nice with these. If you've got a steaming lid, I didn't bring it out for this, but the steaming lid is awesome for veggies. No, I don't sell these at my store. If you want a Cuisanart one, Amazon, Walmart. So I don't make any money out of this. This is pure ego. What? Dave has an ego? Say it ain't so. Alright. Let that go in there. Push some of this grease off to the side a little. Bring the rest of that in. Don't need any more of us. Let's break out the rice. No. Let that get covered in the meat grease a little. That way I don't have to add any extra oil. As well as keep that flavor. But we are going to add a little more sodium to it. Get a little soy sauce in there. Plus I'll get it a little bit of that color. And you can see we're getting that really nice golden brown on here. I really want to do the Swedish Chef song for some reason, but yeah. Alright, we are going to get a little more oil on it. Because we still have one more thing for the fried rice. Now my in-laws actually have chickens on their farm, at their house. So what's awesome is we got fresh North Carolina eggs. So we know that they were raised ethically and all that stuff. No roosters. And since this is my yard, it's good for the soil. And no shell in the egg. Okay, got a little on me there. I don't know why whenever I go to a Chinese restaurant, you always get the eggs, in the rice on there. So a little extra protein, a little extra meatiness to it all. And then also, I got some fresh green onion. And And a little more soy sauce because I don't see as much color in there. Now my daughter doesn't like rice, so I gotta make sure I plate it all separately. But, as you can see, this meal is pretty much done. I'm gonna serve the meat on top of the rice, so that way picky people don't have to worry about it. So, take the meat down from here. Stay. Smell that basil just coming right up. And now we'll dump the rice into the bowl. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Dave Lotlack making for you our dinner, hibachi style rice, on my grill without having to go to a takeout place. I always like to say, if you can make it at home, it's always going to cost you less. I mean, come on. Ladies, you only have to tip the cook by giving him a kiss. Hint, hint, subtle hint if she's watching. And you can have some spirits you like because you don't have to drive home. Not that I'm saying if you go out to your servers, make sure, if you go out, make sure you tip your servers, because dang it, they're working hard for you. Don't get me wrong. But if I can make it here, I'm going to make it here. When you have, this comes with your basic spatula set. So if you buy a flat top, make sure you get the spatula set. It is so well worth it. And thank you for watching. We plan on eating shortly. Wish you could join us. Let me know next time. I'll have a sit at the table for you. And let me know if I should put this on YouTube. Peace.